Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Android flashlight not working. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, if your Android flashlight is not working, there are several things you can try to fix that issue. So first of all, you can restart your device. Restarting your device can fix many issues including problems with the flashlight. Press and hold the power button for a few seconds and then click on the restart option. Now you can also reset your camera app, and resetting your camera app can help the issue. To do this, go to your phone setting, then search for the apps, tap on manage apps, search for the camera here, and here you can see the storage. Tap right here on the clear data and it will delete your data and clear cache. Also guys, you can try using safe mode. Your safe mode can help you identify if a third party app is causing the issue. To restart Android phone is a safe mode, press the hold and power button for a few seconds and then you will see an option menu will options like restart and power off. So you can also check the camera permissions. Check if camera permissions is enabled for the flashlight to function properly. Just note that the steps to fix a flashlight not working issue may vary depending on your Android device and version. It's also important to regularly monitor your device storage and delete unwanted files to prevent this issue from happening in the future. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.